Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make accounts private on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, okay, sorry, I was like trying to post something last time I was in Facebook. So here, as we said, if you want to make your account private, tap at the top right corner 3 lines here and click at that. So from now, you'd like to go to your settings by clicking at the settings icon at the top right corner, or scrolling down, then click at settings and privacy, then click at settings. You have of course 2 options to go to settings. Of course, after going to settings and privacy, you would like to scroll down to audience and visibility. So we just scroll down into this, and here you would like to go and whatever you want to make private. So let's say for example, if we click on here, lock your profile, you can actually make your photos and posts more private in one step. Of course, only friends will see the photos and posts on stories on your profile and other stuff like that. Of course, if you want to make your profile information private, you can do that through here as well. Of course, the posts, stories, reels as well, you can make everything private from this audience and visibility section. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.